Equal protection of the laws does not mean that every citizen, no matter what his condition, must be treated in the same manner, full stop. The phrased equal protection of the law means that no person or class of persons shall be denied the same protection of law which is enjoyed by other persons or other class of persons in like circumstances in respect of their life, liberty, property or pursuits or happiness, full stop. This only means that persons, similarly situated or in similar circumstances, will be treated in the same manner, full stop. A valid classification test of any enactment would be that the enactment must not be arbitrary in nature, full stop. It must be founded on intelligible differentia which distinguished persons or things that are grouped together from others not falling in that group, but such differentia must have a rational relation to the object sought to be achieved by the enactment in question, full stop. The object of classification should be lawful and it should be made in good faith, full stop. But in the instant case, the classification proved between public manufacturer and private manufacturer in the sub rules 2 and 3 of rule 61 would not pass the classification test mentioned above, therefore, the said amendment in the rule is liable to be declared as ultra vires, full stop.